Hey guys, we are back, and boy, do we have a lot to talk about today. We are going to... Let's catch up here. First of all, I have gotten a new subscription box. As you know, I do BoxyCharm every month, which I love, and I also do Live Glam, their Morphe brush subscription, which is awesome because you can never have too many brushes. I received my first box in March, so it's a little late going out, but I want to get it out anyway because I didn't receive it until I think it was March 29th that I received this box. So I got it really late, and spoiler alert, I did open it and see what was in it and kind of mess around with things a little bit so I could give you a heads up since I did get it too late. And I wouldn't be able to kind of tell you what was going on in this box. So, first of all, it's a plain Jane cardboard box here. It comes with a sticker on it that says, yes, oh yes. I don't understand this thing, but this is a subscription. It is, I believe, $13.99 plus you pay shipping of like $3.99. So it comes out to about $18 a month. It's a monthly subscription. It self-renews if you tell it to. You can also do a 1 month only subscription. I have seen some people have had a little bit of trouble getting their boxes. They've been billed for them and not gotten them, and then they had to get the next box. As of right now, I haven't had a problem. So we'll see. I'll keep you updated, and we'll see if I'm actually going to keep this subscription or not. But let me show you what they sent me for my first box. Now this subscription box is supposed to be 3 to 7, I think it is, full-size products or deluxe sample products. This is supposed to be, I mean, it's kind of set up on the same platform like BoxyCharm. You're supposed to get good-sized products. The box is supposed to constantly be valued at over $65. And of course you pay less than $18 for it, and you're supposed to get good stuff. So let me show you what we got so far. Now this box is all Belle Pierre products. Now, as a avid makeup user, I've never been a huge fan of Belle Pierre products. I will just throw that out there. You can find them at Five Below. You can find them at Marshall's or TJ Maxx on the clearance rack. I haven't found anything from them that I'm like, hey, I love this product. It's my go-to. I always want it. But this box gave me a whole lot of products that I've never tried before. So we're going to try them, and we're going to give this brand another shot and see if we can't find something that we enjoy. The first thing in this box is this Belle Pierre Precious Diamonds Hand and Body Lotion. So it appears like this. I'm sorry, my light is a little bit bright there, but let's put it up here. So the first thing that I noticed is that it has a safety seal on it, but it's been broken. Now, I'm not a huge lotion person, so I have not tried this out yet. This has just been stuck in here. I have 2 teenage girls. They generally steal my lotion. I have some good lotion that I love. It's from Bath & Body Works, and I keep it on my nightstand, and that's just what I use. This, whoops, smells like medicated lotion. It smells like the stuff you get at the hospital. It doesn't smell like anything too fantastic. We're going to try it out on our hands right now after I make a mess. Let's see how we get. Okay. Again, it just smells like, I don't know, nothing significant. Nothing bad, but not like, I mean, I'm a girl. I like my lotion to smell good. It soaks right up. It's not thick or heavy. I feel like it's just a basic, like, if I'm in an emergency, I go, and this was in my cabinet, I would grab it. Nothing exciting there. Well, give it to the girls, see if they like it. I don't know. The next thing we have is this Belle Pierre Precious Diamonds nail file. Nothing spectacular. Y'all, I don't do my nails. If I have my nails done, it's because I went and got them done. And I used to do that all the time. I got sick last summer and my nails have really suffered. They've gotten very brittle and stuff because of the treatment. And so I really haven't kept up on it because it makes them hurt when I go get them done. So we're trying to grow past that and then we'll get them done again. But this is not something I'm going to use. Again, daughters! And then this is the Belle Pierre Precious Diamonds Magic Buffer. Now I have seen these in the past. They're like a four-sided buffer and each side does a different step on your nails. So you can kind of see right there what each side does. That's fine. Again, girls. Alright, now one more nail thing. Now something I did notice with this box is like it didn't come with a card. It didn't give me any kind of overview of the products or what was supposed to be in the box or their value or anything like that. It was just seriously a box, plain brown box with some little paper worms and products thrown in it. So I feel like they could be a little bit more professional, but again, first box, we'll see. This is a Belle Pierre Precious Diamonds. I'm seeing a theme here. Cuticle treatment. It's an oil. They usually put a cuticle treatment on my cuticles while I'm at the nail salon. It doesn't smell like anything at all. It doesn't seem very thick. It seems like, okay, so it's like, I don't know, I mean it rubs right in. It's not thick, it doesn't, I mean it feels a little bit oily. I don't know, might be great, might not be. It's not my thing. So I'm just saying right now there's 4 full-size products that I'm not going to use. But they're not complete trash either because I know people will use them so they can be donated or given to my children. And like I said, this is $18, less than $18 for all this stuff so far. So now let's get into the other stuff. It came with this Belle Pierre eyeshadow palette. It says Go Natural Belle Pierre Cosmetics. It does have, this is the back of it, let me show you. It shows the names of the shades right here. But it doesn't tell you what shade in this palette is what. So, I mean, it's kind of worthless. Like, they spent money to print that on there. But they didn't do it in a way that was useful. So, the palette, let me see if I can bend this back. It's a decent palette. It has a mirror, not a usable mirror, right here on the top. I can't. Oh, there we go. Well, I bent it back, but it also broke right here. Whoops. Not the highest quality palette. Okay, so it comes with this little double-ended brush here. It's like a really tiny little, it's very stiff. And then a sponge tip applicator. Yay! I mean, we're classing it up now. But the real important thing is these shadows here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to swatch them all. As you can see, I have used them so I can tell you kind of the quality and such of these shadows. Actually, I have a few of them on my eyes today. This, actually, you can do a complete look with this palette, so it's not bad. The consistency of these shadows is not bad. There is some fallout. It's not unbearable, though. I mean, I have higher quality palettes that have more fallout than this, so this isn't bad. The matte shades are really good, but you have to build them. The shimmer shadows, don't even try a brush. I mean, I would never use the brush that came with this, but don't try any brush. Let's just put it at that. They are amazing, especially this one right here. I have no idea. Look at this. Let's just show you. Like I said, they have some fallout. You can be a little crumbly, but look at that shimmer shade. That's great. And they are all, like, all of these shimmers have color payoff like that. Apply them with your fingers. I tried with a brush, and they don't apply. I'm just wiping my finger off here. They don't apply with a brush, but most shimmer shades don't. So all in all, this palette is nice. Like, I will reach for this. I will use it because some of these shades, even though they're nudes, I don't have another palettes. They're a little more pinky, so I kind of like that. And there's some mauve tones in here, so it's really good. So I'm pleased with this. This is good. This is good. This one's a bonus. It's a plus. Moving on to the other things we got in here. Let's see. We have 3 little pots here. Let me show ya. See if I'm magic. Can I do this? Yes, I can. There are 3 little pots. So this one is a violet color. It is called Calm. This one is a lavender, and it's called Lavender. Hey! This one is kind of an iridescent white, and it is called Excite. Now these are glitter or shimmer pigments. Shimmer. Don't listen to me when I say glitter because they're not really glitter, they're more shimmer. But they are pigments. If you can see in there. There's a little shaker, and I just pour them right in the lid there, and then I can use my finger and pat them on where they belong, or I can use a flat brush with some Fix Plus or setting spray on it, and they completely, like, they adhere like nobody's business, and there's really not a lot of fallout if you do them that way. I mean, look at the color of that. I will also insert some swatches of these for you as well. They are pretty fantastic. And as a girl with green eyes, I love my purples. So, oh, look, there's the lavender. I just spilt it on my hand. So, I mean, that's amazing. Look at this. And you know what, honestly, I wonder if you could use this for like an iridescent highlight. If you really liked a purple highlight, you could probably do that. I just got the powder all over my hands. Hi! Alright, so we got those. We're not done yet. We're still going. There's still more in this box. We got 2 brushes, and they did come in little plastic sleeves. This one is called Eyeshadow Brush number 35. Again, it's Belle Pierre. It's kind of soft. It's obviously a synthetic brush. Again, 35. I haven't tried it yet though, guys. Does anybody else get like this where they're like, I love these eyeshadow brushes and these are all that I use, even though I have like 200 of them? I always go for the same like 4. That's kind of where I am, so I'm trying to pull myself out of that. I'll use it and I'll let you know, okay? And then we got this other Belle Pierre eyeliner brow brush number 18. Almost had a catastrophe. Almost made a mistake. Again, these bristles are longer than I would like them to be, and they're softer. It's not quite as stiff as I would want it to be, so I'm not really sure about this brush. Whew. We'll try it out and see. The last and almost least thing in this box. I'm not entirely sure what this is, y'all. This is Belle Pierre Makeup Base. That's all it says. Base de makeup. I didn't just make that up. That's a real thing. That's what it says right there. It is a beige color, almost like a foundation color. I don't know if you can see that. It's coming off kind of clear, kind of like yellow in my camera, but I don't know if it's an eyeshadow base. I don't know if it's supposed to be a concealer or a corrector. No idea, because it doesn't tell me anything. I tried using it as an eyeshadow base. It's okay. It's not my favorite. It's okay. It's like a neutral, like, I mean, it cancels out any kind of veins or purple tones you might have on your eyes. It kind of like levels that out. But even with this, I still found myself using a colored shadow to kind of even out the tone of my eyes before I did my eyeshadow look. So I'm not 100% sure. This kind of fell flat with me. But that is everything that we got for March in this yes, oh yes, box. I'll link it down below if anybody is interested. I just got charged for April, so we shall see what April brings. If April is a good, I would say if we get 2 decent products in April, I'll probably keep the subscription. If we don't, if it's kind of like this where it's all some sort of product that I'm not going to use, like nail stuff, then I might go ahead and cancel it and move on and find a better subscription to review for y'all that I can add to my collection and we can have some more fun with. That is going to be our video today. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know. Let me know if anybody else has this box or has a subscription and what they think of it. So I'll be interested to hear what you have to say. Until later. Bye.